Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pradnya. Lifestyle diseases in India. Indian Medical Council and the medical researchers ICMR and other medical studies shows that the lifestyle disorder diseases and the death due to non-communicable diseases has increased in India from 37% to 61.8% till 2016. So today we are going to discuss again on the lifestyle disorder diseases. So exactly I want to discuss that the lifestyle disorder diseases, everyone knows that it happens because of a bad lifestyle, bad eating habits, no exercises, stress induced factor, high stresses due to a personal, professional, emotional level. These all factors everyone knows and everyone are aware about the lifestyle disorder diseases. And now I'm telling you the ICMR shows that result that the ratio of lifestyle disorder diseases in India increased on a higher ratio comparatively other countries. So why it is so, and what are the solutions for that? So guys, I know that it is for everyone, it is really difficult to regularize their self to follow a particular routine. Like if I am saying that follow your exercise regime or the health regime pattern every at least 5 days in a week, or follow the diet, it is difficult to follow on a regular basis. So for that I'm telling you the simple way that set your short goals. Set your short goals means if it is difficult for you to follow it regularly on a long time, और the consistency अगर नहीं है आपके पास, then short goals fix करो. Because psychology says that अगर आप छोटे छोटे goals fix करते हो and if you're achieving your short goals, then your confidence level and entire your vision to achieve your next goal is giving you a motivation to put forward yourself to achieve your next goal. So short goals decide करो and follow करो. For example, just खुद को you just need to tell yourself that this 10 days I am following this strictly, and keep yourself ready, and your brain dedicatedly should get ready to follow these 10 days. वॉट एवर यू विल डिसाइड कि मुझे 10 दिन 1 घंटा एक्सरसाइज करनी है, मीन्स करनी है. आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो द ऑल माई डाइट रिजिम और द डाइट प्रोटोकॉल फॉर 10 days. When you will cross your 10 days or you will reach up to your 10th day, again you set the next short goal. So indirectly you're moving ahead on the way to achieving your final goal. सो फाइनल गोल अगर आपको अचीव करना है तो इन बिटवीन वे में आपके शॉर्ट्स गोल डिसाइड करो एंड उसको फॉलो करो. दिस इज़ द ओनली वे टू कीप योर सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम द लाइफ स्टाइल डिजॉर्डर डिजीजेस. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. प्लीज़ कीप दिस इन योर माइंड दैट ICMR seriously telling to everyone that India has a leading country to increase the ratio of lifestyle disorder diseases. So the ratio, we should stop this moving ahead, and we need to keep our India lifestyle disorder disease free. Thank you so much for watching this video.